When it comes to choosing the best immersion blender, you really do get what you pay for. Okay, now when it comes to immersion blenders, you really do get what you pay for. Now this is a KitchenAid. I love it. Of course, this comes off so you can wash it and it screws on. It also has different attachments, like if you wanted to use a wire whip. It just works great. Now, I really don't use this in cooking. I mostly use it in my herb class. I teach herb classes. I also have an online herb school at Family Guide to Herbs. Now, my classes where everybody came to my class and actually made whatever herbal remedy we were making, or in this case, when I used these, it was more for handmade skincare, and these immersion blenders were used to make handmade hand lotion. Now, of course, I wasn't going to spend what it cost for these for all my students, something a little cheaper. Now, I bought the Proctor Silex, which works pretty good, but much to my surprise, it doesn't come apart where you can clean this. So you've got to figure out how to clean this without putting it into water. Now, who would make an immersion blender that does not break apart for cleaning? Not to mention you've got the whole thing, it's 13 inches long, and it's just a little awkward trying to find a place to store it. Water. So I also bought the Walmart brand. Now the Walmart brand did come apart, so I could easily clean it, but 3 out of 4, this is, you can see, 3 out of 4 of these cracked. Now you can see how these all cracked. Now they were only used 3 or 4 times. Okay, the KitchenAid is much heavier than the plastic Proctor Silex and the Walmart brands, and the base is about 9 inches long. The blender attachment is 8 inches long, and the wire whisk attachment is 10 inches long. Okay, they all worked, and they all had extra long cords over 60 inches long, which would be a must for an immersion blender. But the Walmart brand cracking after only 3 to 4 uses. Now I had 4 of these. The Proctor Silex did not break apart for easy cleaning. I don't know how well it worked or how long it held up because I didn't use it. But the KitchenAid I absolutely love. I use it in making all my skincare products that I sell at farmers markets and at conventions. And this is absolutely my favorite. Now, if you would like to learn to make your own handmade lotion where you can choose the very best ingredients, your own essential oils or fragrance, whatever you want to use, go to FamilyGuideToHerbs.com for my online classes, and I have one called Making Natural Skincare with Honey, Beeswax, and Propolis. Uh, the class is inexpensive. I guarantee you, you'll really enjoy it. Thank you so much for joining me today. And for the last 30 years, all of our income has come off our organic farm here in East Texas. We're 100 miles from Dallas. Our little community of 400 still considers chicken fried steak, mashed potatoes, and gravy a health food. They do not understand our lifestyle. They still laugh at us at what we're doing. Our crops are wheatgrass, which they certainly have not heard of, many vegetables, foraging herbs from our woods, and selling to the florist industry. We need your support by subscribing and liking our channel. And visit my online school at FamilyGuideToHerbs.com. And thank you so much.